Tired of Ethereum gas fees that feel like they're holding your transactions hostage? First, timing is everything. Ethereum gas fees fluctuate based on network congestion. Check a gas tracker website, linked in the description, to identify off-peak hours. Usually late nights or early mornings in your time zone. Schedule your transactions for these periods to potentially slash your fees. Next, explore layer-to-scaling solutions. These technologies, like Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism, process transactions off the main Ethereum chain, significantly reducing gas costs. Each has its own bridge to transfer assets. Do your research to find the one that best supports your needs. Understanding gas price dynamics is key. Gas is priced in GUI. The higher the GUI, the faster your transaction is processed, but the more it costs. Most wallets allow you to set a custom gas price. Use a gas tracker to see the current recommended price and adjust accordingly if you're not in a rush. Try setting a slightly lower price, but be prepared for a longer confirmation time. To summarize, strategically time your transactions, investigate layer-to options, and carefully monitor gas prices. By implementing these strategies, you can navigate the Ethereum network more efficiently and keep those pesky gas fees under control.